back to my channel. Today's video, what I was going to do is like a daily vlog. You guys can come with me and, you know, enjoy the day. I'm gonna go and meet my friend at the moment. We're gonna go take some pictures and stuff, because I need a couple of new Instagram pictures and stuff like that. So I thought, why not take you guys with me? Yeah, so we're gonna go drive. I haven't seen her in a little while, so it'll be very nice to see her. And yeah, so we're gonna probably go Westfield. We found a couple of places that we wanted to take pictures, so that's what we're going to do. I just put all my clothes in a bag. Look at this, like literally I packed as much as I could pack so I could just like keep changing and stuff. But I just put anything ordinary on at the moment because I'm just gonna go and change. I wanted to take a couple new Instagram pictures and stuff in like different locations, so I thought why not and go like Westfield and stuff and see if I can find any nice locations there. I packed a couple clothes that I wanted to take pictures in, like my boohoo ones that I did a video on, so hopefully I'm able to get like nice pictures. But anyway, you guys are gonna come with me, so it'll be a nice little time. And yeah, so let's go pick up my friend.
I'll be the same if I take off this makeup.
To be yelling out bang bang, roll up a blunt of that Pluto. Used to be D9 riding around Uno. I know some niggas who hustle but quick, cause they was doing this shit for too long. Hey, that I met you, the day I thought forever. Sure that you love me, but that'll last forever.
Hey guys, so I picked up some Starbucks. I have not had the Starbucks in the longest. My lashes are looking a bit mad. But anyway, we are in the toilets and we are taking some pictures. Anyway, so I'm doing my my friend's pictures. And that's her new brand. So
make sure you like, comment and subscribe to Suaad channel.
Look at, and she made that top, guys.
Guys,
so,
check me out, official drip. Check me out.
We're gonna put it in the comments down below, in the description box. So make sure you check it out and make sure you buy as well, right? Girl. Yes. So yeah, we're just out here taking pictures because we need new Instagram pictures and stuff. So we got. Oh yes, we also got.
Guys, listen, I've been looking for this cup here for ages. £2.50. Go to your local Starbucks and try it out.
What is it? The Oreo.
Whatever this is called again.
The creams something. Cookies and cream.
Cookies and cream fraps. You get me? Woo!
Yeah, I only get like the basic iced coffee. But yeah, so we're just out here taking pictures. So I'll show you guys how we take some pictures, okay? So guys, I just got ready. I did like a basic makeup look because I couldn't be asked. Literally, I did my makeup in like 30 minutes. Because my dad was rushing me. He called me because, you know, left me up, and I thought, you know, I might as well record today. So I thought, let me quickly put some makeup on. I hope you guys like this. Put like a basic top on, Beverly Hills, which I got from Pretty Little Things. I did it in my last video, and then I just paired it with like one of these like little dresses and stuff. So it's a basic outfit because I could not be asked. Anyway, is it just me, or since COVID started, like I became so lazy? I don't like wearing makeup anymore. I don't like getting dressed anymore. Like everything just feels like the biggest drag. If that's how you feel, let me know in the comments, because I feel like I'm the only person that does that. Because my friends still get ready. My friends still put makeup on still, you know. And I'm just there like, oh, not today. Like I'll come with my Vaseline face, you know. Yeah, 21st of June is not that far away. Probably another month. So I need to make sure that I get back into my game. I need to make sure that I learn how to do my makeup again, how to get dressed again, and not be lazy, to be honest, because I'm hella lazy. I'm trying to do everything from the 21st of June. So keep me in your prayers. Furthermore, the world reopened, so we can go inside and eat and everything. So that is what we're going to do. I'm gonna go meet my friend. Here we go. So yeah, I'm gonna go meet my friend and we're gonna go eat and stuff like that. But yeah, that's about it. So I'm just waiting for her to make way so I can start making ways as well. But yeah, first of all, before I go to her, I'm gonna quickly go meet my dad. Haven't seen him for a while, so I'm gonna go eat with him and then go from there, really. So I want to start doing more daily vlogs and stuff like that. So if you do like this video, let me know if there's anything that you guys want to see. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Suaad. And if you want to follow me on my socials, I'll put it down below here. But yeah, let's get into the video. So for the rest of the day, I'm gonna go meet my friend. We're gonna go to this cafe place because the world's reopened now, so we can eat inside again. So I am very excited about that. It's this nice cafe. It's called Nayla, something like that. So we are gonna go there and have some brunch. So that will be very exciting. Can you cry with me? Because look, I'm wearing my jacket and then the bee decided to sit on my jacket, tried to shake it off. He didn't want to come off. I had to take off the whole jacket just for him. Yeah, this jacket is gonna go to the bin now, because if he ain't gonna come off, I ain't gonna wear it. Okay guys, so I'm just sitting here like this because the bee is literally just living its best life on my jacket. But I hate insects. I don't know why insects like to follow me. I hate them. I can't stand them. So I don't know how I'm gonna get this Donny off my jacket. Anyway guys, I tried to go into the outlet, but so many people, I don't know like how I feel anymore, like now that the world is reopening as well. Like I don't feel comfortable still getting into shops and stuff. I don't know, but it's just me, I guess. But yeah, I just went in for a little bit, didn't feel like it, so I just like stepped out again. But we can always try Westfield maybe one of these days, so I'll keep you guys updated. Anyway guys, so I'm finally on my way to meet my friend. She is already there, so she is going to kill me. We should have met up at 2. It's literally 2:50 at the moment, so I took my sweet time. I decided not to drive today, so I literally jumped on the bus and whatever. But this mask business, literally when I wear makeup, I hate it. So I don't know why I thought it was a good idea for me to jump on the bus, you know? Anyway guys, I just got back home. We went to this place called Nayla. The food was actually really nice. Me and my friend, we shared the food, so we got like a chicken wrap, and then we also got the pistachio toast, French toast. There we go. It was really nice. Service was a bit slow, but you know, if you do want to go, I'll put their details in the description bar. But yeah, overall I would give it like a 7 out of 10. Like the food was really nice. I can't even complain, honestly. It was just a bit slow, but you know, they apologized for it. They let us know, like, you know, they're running a bit late and stuff because one of their staff members was ill. But I do actually recommend it. Let me know if you do go, or if you've been. How was your experience? But that is it for this vlog. I am exhausted. I am so tired. Like I feel like I have not had a day like this where all I've been doing is eating and whatever. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to see daily vlogs like this all the time, then let me know. But yeah, for now, I'll see you guys in my next video.